What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have brand versus battle. On my right we have a strong name brand which is called Kasa. Mikasa, right here. Got this from Amazon. I did a review on it. I think it was like a few months ago. Got this square plate. So this is the face plate for it, and this is your on and off right there. Simple click. On the back, it has a ground wire coming out already attached. Okay. And it has a neutral already attached. All right, you guys. So on my left, we have the Feit electric. I see Feit electric in Walmart. I see Feit electric in Costco. So I obviously got this Feit electric from Costco. Now this one, you have this face plate right here, round shape on the face plate, and this one is more of a square shape, but you can obviously see the difference in sizes. Okay. All right, and also on the box this says single pole switch, not compatible with three-way. This not only does single, but it does three-way, two dimmers, three-way switch and dimmer, and multiple dimmers. You do not have no wires already attached like these, so your ground and your neutral you will actually have to go ahead and put on here. Let's enjoy this video, have fun, and you can make your decision on who will win this versus, and I will tell y'all my final decision on who won this brand versus. Let's get into it. All right, you guys, so we are about to kick off this video with our Kasa since it's already installed. So we have our Kasa right here. I am going to take it out and I'm going to put the Feit switch in it, and then we are going to test out the brightness and we're going to test out the dim on both units. We are at max brightness right now, so this is the max brightness you get. The lights out there are off, that way y'all can see the max brightness of this thing. Now we're going to go to the lowest dim that we can go. I'm on level 3, 2, 1, and that is dim as this thing can go. Okay, it don't go no dimmer than this. All right, so dim and max brightness right there. I'm gonna do it one more time. Dim, max brightness. All right, I will do before and afters. After we're done, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the circuit breaker, take all this off, and put the Feit in, turn off the circuit breaker, and let's get to work taking this Kasa out, putting the Feit switch in. So this is the max brightness of the Feit light. All right, so it does seem, so y'all let me know if y'all see any difference as far as the brightness go from the Kasa and the Feit. I'm obviously going to do, before, after. Now we are about to dim the lights. So we are on 5 as far as brightness, and now we're going down. 4, 3, 2, 1, and you can keep going. You guys, this is way dimmer than the Kasa lights. You guys, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I like the dimness of the Feit. The Kasa dimness is a is much brighter than this. I'm not gonna lie. So once again, we will do the side-by-side photos. You can obviously see how dim it is right now in here. And yeah, this is amazing, you guys. Like, I can't believe that it's a difference. Now, on their level 1, this is the lowest on the level 1 as far as the Feit goes. I'm gonna go up one more time. We still on 1, so it still got 1 green dot. I'm gonna go up one more time again, and I'm still on the first green dot. So there are 3 levels to the lowest dimming that you can go. Okay, you guys, so that will be the end of this brand versus. Y'all let me know what other brands do y'all like as far as smart homes or whatever brands y'all want to see me put against each other. We can try something out as long as it's dealing with the home, the garden, the garage, whatever. So anyways, like, comment, and subscribe.